So now moving to the solution of second question bachcho. See, how will you look at these given informations here? I mean, looking at these four equations, what is the first feeling? First feeling is, of course, there are four equations in four variable x, y, z, w. Okay, so the first feeling looking at the question is that we need to solve these four equations simultaneously to get the value of x, y, z and w, and then hence get the value which has been asked in this question, which is x square plus y square plus z square plus w square. Isn't that? That's the first feeling. But will it work? I don't think. If anyone have got the answer using this thing, I will really appreciate. I will log. Achha, one more thing I will ask you people, and that is, if you get the answer like using any other method which I shared here, or using which I am solving the question here, please let me know. Please share it on using the comment box, bachcho. Okay, so that I can also go through that, solution, and if it's really correct, I will appreciate it. And then, of course, both of us, all of us will have some mutual gain there, isn't that? So if any one of you got this answer by solving these equations simultaneously, I will ask you people to send me that solution. I will like to go through that solution. Okay, but my suggestion is simple. See, I can't have that much patience of solving it. Rather, I can't see the method to solve it, because four equation, four variable is going to be an extremely lengthy procedure. Now, my observation here is, see, in first equation, this is one number which is varying. In second, 3. Instead of 1, you have 3. In third, instead of 1, you have 5, and then you have 7. So this is one thing which is varying here. So what I will suggest is, I will say, okay, let us consider the equation. So let us consider one equation in some other variable, and that is, I will say, let me x square y square. So it's x square upon t plus y square upon t minus 2 square, and then t minus 4 square plus z square upon t minus 4 square plus w square upon t minus 6 square is equal to 1. So let us consider this equation. Now what's the purpose behind it? See, the simple purpose is, now I will say that considering t as a variable of this equation which we have just started with, considering t a variable of this equation, now we can claim that it has four solutions. Why? Because if I put t is equal to 1 in that equation, we get this, and it satisfies the equation because LHS is equal to RHS. Put t is equal to 3 square, you get this. Put t is equal to 5 square, we get this. Put t is equal to 7 square, we get this. What does that mean? That means we have, so therefore I will say t is equal to 1, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49 are the roots of this equation. All of you agree or not? Are roots of this equation, bachcho. All of you agree with that? I believe so. Now what? See, what do we need? Let's target it. So we have four roots of this equation. So why not to simplify it? Just take LCM here, bachcho. So if I take LCM here, so like if I say after taking LCM, you will get x square into t minus 4. I will write it now like this: t minus 16 into t minus 36 plus y square into t times t minus 16 into t minus 36. Similarly, for z square, it will be t into t minus 4, t minus 36 plus w square. So it will be t into t minus 4 into t minus 16, and then take the LCM to the right hand side. What will you get? You will get here, of course, you will get it as product t into this, into this, into this, into this. If I open it, so I will get t raised to the power 4. Now, cubic term, how will you get? You will get cubic term when you select 3t and one constant. It will be always with negative sign. So minus t cube, and then add it. So 2 square, which is 4 plus 16 plus 36 plus t square dot t something constant something. That's it. Now why am I not concerned with any other term? So the reason you will come to know just in few minutes from here on. See, I will say now convert it to proper 4-degree equation. So first term is t raised power 4, then cubic term t cube. Now bring all these terms this side. So the coefficient of t cube 1 into 1 is x square here, then t into t y square here, similarly z square, similarly w square. Bring all these to this side and I will take minus common because all are of negative sign here बच्चों. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 4 plus 16 is how much? 20, 56 plus x square plus y square plus z square plus w square. All of you I think will agree to it. Okay, and then terms of t square, t, rest of the terms I am literally not concerned. Why am I not concerned? Because see, I need the value of this expression, and how will I get it? By using the relation sum of all the roots of a 4-degree equation. So which says, and what are the roots? See, we know the roots are 1, 9, 25, 49. So sum of all the roots. Sum of all the roots. So what we get? 1 plus 9 plus 25 plus 49, and this is equal to minus times b by a. A is 1, leading coefficient. So leading coefficient here is 1, coefficient of t raised power 4, and coefficient of t cube is this whole thing, minus makes it positive. So it's 56 plus x square plus y square plus z square plus w square. Now we can get the value which we need. So it's x square plus y square plus z square plus w square is 49 minus 56 minus 7, and then 3, 28. I think 28 is the answer. You can check it, bachon. Okay, so that's my answer for this equation, and that's my approach for this equation, bachon. So the point is the observation. So what I observed, or what we all would have, or all of those who would have got the solution the way I did would have observed this simple thing. Okay, so variation is here, rest all remains same everywhere in all the 4 equations, bachon. Okay, so that was the second equation for your first day here, bachon.